It is natural to think of water when we think of hydration, right? But don't worry, this is not another video asking you to drink water and magically attain that beautiful radiant skin. Because we know just drinking water isn't going to make the cut. It is so important to listen to what your skin is trying to say to you to achieve your skin goals. Treat your skin like a baby and shower it with all the love, kindness, and of course, hydration. But instead of introducing your skin to hundreds of products, ask your skin what it really needs. Did you know that moisturizing your skin is different from hydrating it? A moisturizer is an oil-based formula with the goodness of occlusives like minerals, plant oils, seed oils that help your skin lock the moisture by creating a seal around it. This protects your skin from drying out under the sun. Hydrators or humectants, on the other hand, are ingredients such as honey, glycerine, aloe vera, vitamin E, hyaluronic acid, etc. that help your skin absorb the moisture in the air and hold it in place for your skin to look as juicy as a plum. Rule number 1. Say good morning to your skin. Cleanse your face with a clarifying face wash that is not too harsh to the skin. First thing in the morning. Remove all that grime from last night and start your day with a clean slate. The Plum Green Tea Pore Cleansing Face Wash works wonders without stripping your skin of its natural moisture. Rule number 2. Moisturize. Use a thick silicone-free moisturizer containing ingredients like petrolatum and plant oils. Rosehip oil, nuts oil can help your skin thrive all day long. Why silicone-free? Because silicone can create a layer around your skin that does not allow outside moisture from the air to come in contact with your skin. The Plum E-Luminance Deep Moisturizing Creme replenishes your skin with all the necessary nutrients to keep it soft, supple and radiant. Did you know dry skin is different from dehydrated skin? While dry skin feels itchy, inelastic and flaky, dehydrated skin is much worse. It can cause dark circles, puffy eyes, dry mouth, itchiness and cause prominent lines on your skin. As a reflex, your skin tries to protect itself from creating a layer of sebum, aka oil. Take action before it becomes a vicious cycle. Rule number 3. Hydrate. Invest in a good hydrating serum. It will not only give back the hydration but will also help your skin maintain it by creating a bond between the skin and the moisture in the air. Include ingredients like hyaluronic acid, honey, aloe vera and plant serum. Serum like the Plum E-Luminance, the Bright Mix Face Serum is good for dry, dehydrated and sensitive skin and is enriched with 13 kind ingredients. And then lock all the goodness into your skin with a gel-based or water-based non-comedogenic moisturizer. Rule number 4. Refresh. Drench your skin into hydrating face mists like the Plum Green Tea Revitalizing Face Mist. Oh my god, I feel super refreshed right now. This face mist helps you in every way while it gives you that extra boost of freshness and H2O. Never forget, hydrate, lock, splash. After hydration and moisturization comes the most important step of your skincare, which is a good sunblock. While you're working so hard to give the right moisture to your skin, the harsh UV rays of the sun try to make it hard for you and they take away that extra nourishment and moisture from your face. So for that, you should use the Green Tea Daylight Sunscreen Gel. It's a light gel-based sunblock that protects your skin from the sun damage without being too greasy. Rule number 5. Say goodnight to your skin. Use a potent gel-based night creme right before you sleep so that your skin works its magic all night while you dream of a radiant skin. The Plum Green Tea Renewed Clarity Night Gel. This has argan oil for balanced hydration throughout the night and lets you wake up with a non-oily, happy skin. So guys, that was it. 5 rules for perfect hydration for you this winters. So till then, keep watching. Subscribe to Plum Goodness YouTube channel. This is Sheena signing off. Bye.